Can I merge?
I don't know.
You're good. While you were navigating the road as a winter warrior, your vehicle was attacked by snow, slush, salt, and mud. At Ziebart, our professionally trained certified technicians will provide a multi-step, hands-on exterior detailing to remove nature's leftovers. Then we'll restore the mirror-like reflection of your paint and lock in that new car shine with one of our paint protection options, like ceramic Z-Gloss paint coating or Z-Shield paint protection film, the optically clear barrier between your paint and the hazards of the road. Ziebart has industry-leading products and services to clean, disinfect, customize, and protect vehicles. Now more than ever, it's time to start fresh. Revitalize your vehicle and enjoy the open road again.
So nice.
Is everyone buckled in?
Yeah.
Give us a call or check us out at ziebart.com today.